G'day everyone, and welcome to the Zoho Report. Today is the 9th of January 2026, and this is episode 1 of our new series covering the latest updates in the Zoho ecosystem. We'll be bringing you these 5-minute updates approximately every week or so to keep you in the loop with what's happening across Zoho's applications. First up, we've got a new feature in Zoho CRM, the Notes Badge. This new feature adds a quick action button for notes in the list view. This builds on the existing activity badge feature where every activity, such as a call or a task, shows a ribbon-like icon. This new quick action capability means that you can now interact with notes more efficiently directly from the list view without having to dive into those individual records. You can view these latest notes by hovering over the icon, and then clicking on the notes icon will allow you to add additional notes as well as view all of the notes that are on that record. If you want to hide the notes or activity badges, you can do this directly from the Manage Columns button. It's also great to see that Zoho has released a client script event here to ensure that you can continue to offer the same experience within your CRM if you have existing notes client scripts configured. This next one's important. Zoho's deprecated their Zoho OAuth Connector in all applications except Zoho Creator, and this is expected to be completely sunset as of the 31st of December 2026, so there's plenty of time to make your required changes. The OAuth Connector allowed you to connect with multiple Zoho applications using a single connection, and going forward you will need to create connections using the dedicated connectors for each application. Now, this doesn't solve the issue where you have a multi-platform integration that requires a connection to multiple Zoho applications. So in those cases, you will need to create a custom connector. So make sure you subscribe to the channel as we'll be creating a tutorial video on how you can do this soon. So if you're using any integrations between Zoho apps, check your connections page soon and start planning your migration strategy. Zoho Books now has the ability to accept contactless payments directly from the Zoho Books app on iPhone. With Tap to Pay on iPhone, you can accept contactless payments through the Zoho Books iOS app on any iPhone XX or later running the latest iOS version. Now, at checkout, you simply need to prompt the customer to hold their credit card, iPhone, Apple Watch, or any other digital wallet near your iPhone, and the payment will be quickly and securely completed using NFC technology without the need for any additional hardware. Now, it's important to know that this feature is currently only available in select countries, with some countries to be onboarded throughout 2026, and for the businesses that have a Stripe payment gateway configured within Zoho Books. And that wraps up episode 1 of the Zoho Report. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode with more Zoho updates.